Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
To make it to the top. I choose two, you can ride on my caravan. Plenty of room and you ain't gonna Logan, this is like hypocritical because I just made a video about not hating on people.
Yeah, no, I saw that video, yeah.
Yeah, I can't do that.
I'm bored, bro. Roast videos are fun.
No, they're not.
Wait, hold up.
No.
Do you hear that, bro?
No, I don't
Second
hear
verse is
it.
coming. Chop, second verse.
No.
It's the second verse. Forget about the first. If it's a foot race, I'll be running in reverse. Y'all be making memes, but we be making really stuff. Stop, Logan. Second verse can never come out.
But bro, don't you think we should address that one thing that everyone's like wondering about?
No, I'm not talking about that anymore.
Bro, but like I'm just like
No, there's two sides to every story and it's not gonna go anywhere.
Well, that is true. So, like, you don't know who's telling the truth and who's lying, essentially. Hey, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It's 6 a.m. and we're making this music video. I'm gonna go to sleep. Get your Maverick merch. Link in the description. I love you. Logang for life. Peace!
Oh yeah, once I die, we'll do James. I don't think I'll put it on. No, I don't want it to be on.